Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love. Thank you, and I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So, this is your love general reading for the month of April. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. So now let's start your general love reading for the month of April. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. What are the messages for Aquarius? Ace of Swords, Ace of Swords, Nine of Cups. And it wants to come out Judgment, but I'm not taking it, but I want to show you that. Okay, now let's see. Wow. Two aces in your reading. Ace of Pentacles. Aquarius, I can say that April is month for you, okay? There are beautiful readings which I am doing for you. I can say that there are beautiful messages from last 2-3 readings. There are beautiful messages, very powerful readings, I can say that, which is coming for you. Now let's see what are the messages. Please give me the messages. Queen of Cups. Okay. What are the messages? King of Pentacle. And it wants to come out. That's why I'm taking it. Knight of Swords. And King of Cups. Okay. There is a power couple which I am seeing and it wants to come out. Seven of Cups, Six of Pentacles. Wow. Six of Wands. And Six of Swords. 666. Okay. Beautiful reading. Beautiful reading. So maybe you are having a lot of options right now, Aquarius, because I can see here that there are two kings here, Aquarius. Okay. King of Pentacles and King of Cups. There are two energies which I'm seeing here. Okay, there are two persons which want to approach Aquarius. Okay, so one of them are rushing towards you, Aquarius. This King of Cup is your divine counterpart. One of them is your divine counterpart. Okay, you are having lot of options right now to choose here. You're getting your stable offer, you're getting your clarity that who is your wish fulfillment. You're getting to know now. Okay, so you are going to receive equal amount of give and take now with the Six of Pentacles. You are going to get success, recognition, victory in love, in work, in career, everywhere. And you're coming towards the calmer waters. Can you see a lot of sixes energy? Okay, 666. This is beautiful. So, but I'm not going to take it. I want to show you. Now let's see more messages. Any other message for Aquarius? Three of Pentacles. Any other message? Bottom of the deck I'm having Sun. Maybe right now you cannot sleep at night, Aquarius, but don't worry. Beautiful new happy beginnings are coming for you. This is very beautiful. Any other message for Aquarius? See, I told you. Hierophant is here. Someone wants to give you a marriage proposal. Someone wants to get married to you here, Aquarius. Someone wants to get married to you. Someone wants to marry you, okay? There is Knight of Cup here. And maybe you will juggle between two situation or two person here with the Two of Pentacle. You don't know which one to choose. Wow, wow, wow. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Star and Eight of Wands. Lot of new hopes, new desires are coming for you, Aquarius, okay? New hopes, new desires are coming for you. There is lot of love which is coming for you. Can you see? This is Knight of Cup. They're coming with a lot of love offer. There is Three of Swords. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Queen of Pentacle here. So yes, they broke your heart. This person who is coming back from your past, okay, this is one person who is coming back from your past, who broke your heart, who did not able to decide maybe in the past. They broke your heart, they put you in a third party situation in the past, okay, but now they're coming towards you with lot of love offer. Can you see? They want to get married to you, they want to take this relationship on a higher level of commitment. Can you see how this man and woman are standing in front of here? Maybe you are already married to this person, or you are going to get married with this person. They want to get married with you, but this is your divine counterpart here, Aquarius. Can you see? Queen of Pentacle is here and King of Pentacle is here. So this is your energy, I can say that. No, this is your energy. Okay, now let me see more. Any other message? See again. Eight of Wands. Communication is coming towards you from this person side. Temperance. Okay. Any other message? Judgment. In the beginning only Judgment wants to come out, and I show you that. Okay. There is some kind of judgment which is happening in your case. There is Magician. Wow. There is Hermit mode here. Judgment, Hermit, Magician and the Lovers. Beautiful. And I'm sorry if you are getting the noise in the background. Okay, now let's start your reading. This is beautiful reading, I can say that. Someone is coming towards you. There are two persons which I can see. There is one new person and one from your past which is coming back. Now they're coming back with lot of love, okay, loyalty, commitment. They want to give you a lot of commitment here, and this is beautiful. Can you see? In these three pictures I can see angels, the divine, the universe is taking care of this relationship. In these three pictures the angel is taking care of this relationship. Can you see? The Lovers, the Judgment and the Temperance. Okay, so one of the, maybe your past person, okay, that's your divine counterpart. With that person, either you are already married or you are in a committed relationship for long period of time, or you are going to get married with this person. This person was juggling a lot here. They were unable to bring a balance in a situation because of the third party situation. Here there was a third party situation which was involved in your life, but now communication is coming towards you here, Aquarius. Lot of communication is coming towards you, and this person is in hermit mode. Can you see? They are doing the soul searching, they are doing the inner work, and they're manifesting too. Can you see? They're doing the manifestation, they're doing the hermit mode, they're looking the answers from within themselves. This is your person's energy, okay? This is your person's energy. There are a lot of major arcanas, I can say that. Okay, so someone is rushing towards you here, Aquarius, with the King of Cups. There are a lot of, I can say there is a power couple here, King of Cup and the Queen of Cup. Okay, there's a lot of love offer which is coming for you. Maybe you are going to receive your stable committed offer, maybe a marriage proposal, and now you're going to receive your clarity. Clarity is coming towards you, Aquarius. in your wish fulfillment. Okay, there is some kind of wish fulfillment which is going to happen for you. Okay, now let's see. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards. Okay, High Priestess, Sun. See, I told you, use your intuitions, Aquarius. Your intuition will guide you properly. There are new happy beginning which are coming for you. Here the Sun is here. This is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Okay, so new happy beginnings are coming for you. Let me see more. Any other message for Aquarius? Emperor. Emperor is here. Okay, let me see more. Any other message? Justice, strength. See again, hermit mode. They are in a hermit mode, Aquarius, right now. They're doing the soul searching. Can you see? They are in a hermit mode. This is your partner's energy. They are doing their soul searching. They're gaining the strength here, okay, to approach you. They want to give you justice. They want to give you justice. Maybe in the past they treated you wrong. Now they want to give you justice. Wow. I told you, this is your divine counterpart. Whatever was situation was there, that is going to end. Completing a cycle, you are closing out a cycle here, Aquarius. The World card is here. There is death and rebirth. Okay, so death and rebirth is here. And this is your divine counterpart. This is your divine counterpart. That's why in the reading also 1144 was the recording reading time. Emperor and the Empress both are here. I told you, this is your twin flame or your divine counterpart. If it is not a twin flame, then it's a soulmate for you. But this is someone with whom you are having a soul connection. Okay. Let me add some message from the good tarot. See, 1212 was the recording reading at time. 6 of Cups. Someone from your past. Wow. King of Water. That means King of Cups. This King of Cups is your divine counterpart, Aquarius. See, they will give you clarity. They are manifesting you right now. They're feeling they are not happy without you, Aquarius. They are manifesting you. Magician is here. The Star is here. They're manifesting you. They are manifesting you. See the world. You're completing a cycle with this person. Wow. Hermit. They are in a hermit mode right now. In the extended, I'm going to see the cards more. But this is beautiful. Can you see? Magician and the Magician. They are manifesting. They are doing the manifestation for you. They want you, Aquarius. Manifestation is going on. This is someone from your past. A soulmate card. 6 of Cups, King of Cups. This King of Cups who is coming towards you will give you clarity. Will give you clarity. The King of Cups. This can be a water sign. Okay, Aquarius, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. But signs can be anyone. But I can see heavenly water sign. Can you see? 5 of Water, Ace, King of Water, 6 of Water. And they will give you, they can be a water sign or an air sign can be a possibility here. They will give you the clarity. Ace of Air. Ace of Swords, that means. They will give you clarity. This water sign will give you clarity. This is someone from your past. I told you this. Okay. Now let me see. Let me see. Your guards are up. Your guards are up. You're saying that I'm happy. I'm enjoying. See, Hierophant again. See, but they want to give you commitment here. They want to give you commitment. They want to give you marriage proposal. You can have a look in your general reading too, Aquarius. Okay, in that reading too, I can say that There was a marriage card which I was getting for you. So some of you Aquarius are going to get married with this person. In the extended, I'm going to clarify these cards, okay? This is beautiful. Lot of communication is coming towards you. They are right now in a hermit mode. Okay, they're doing the soul searching. Let's see what are the messages from the chakra balance. What are the messages for my Aquarius? What are the messages? What are the messages? Too many messages. Wow. I was getting the message of soulmate. When I was shuffling this, I was getting there is a soulmate card which is coming for you. Beautiful. So get out of the victim mentality here, Aquarius. If you are in this victim mentality, get out of this victim mentality, okay? And you have to do your heart chakra healing here. Can you see there is a lot of green energy? So you have to do your healing of your heart chakra healing. Get out of this victim mentality. Maybe you have lost some pet here and you're feeling very grief, sad, sorrow about some loss. But don't worry here, Aquarius. Don't worry at all. You will get recovery about whatever you have lost. You're going to get recovery here. Can you see there is key, there is divine, there is universe who is going to give you back. Okay, there is a lot of beautiful things which is coming for you. Recovery and lot of wisdom is coming for you. Can you see? Wisdom, discovery. Now you're going to discover yourself, who you are, okay? Maybe some of you Aquarius, you are the workaholic, okay? You work a lot, okay? So try to don't work a lot. Workaholic is here. So some of you are working a lot. There is vanity card and this is the aqua people, okay? The tenuous balance between what is true in our heart and what we communicate is reflected in aqua. Are you living and communicating your truth or just playing along? This may be a time of awakening to a new way of being. Be aware of distractions that may pull you away from your true you. That's why here you are going to get to know that who you are, who truly you are. So please be aware, okay? There is enlightenment here. Can you see? This is beautiful reading. And there is soulmate which is coming towards you. Can you see? I told you either this person is your soulmate or this is your twin flame. But someone who is having a soul connection with you, okay? There is enlightenment which is happening for you and there is soulmate which is coming for you. This is very powerful, very beautiful reading. I can say that. Okay, let's add one message from the activation oracle. What are the messages for Aquarius for this reading? Emergence, coherence and dynamic. The frequency of emergence invites us to approach our reality with a childlike attitude of innocence and wonderment and to watch and celebrate the beauty that unfolds from that place. So beautiful message, I can say that. Then there is coherence. Okay, I switch on my AC. The frequency of coherence supports our ability to harmonize the frequency of the heart with the frequency of the mind for an optimal ability to create the reality that we desire. Okay. So you have to bring balance between your heart and mind, okay? There is dynamic. The frequency of dynamic supports our ability to harmonize between layers and aspects of different origin and frequencies. It helps us to put together a reality that is made up of many different elements, both familiar and completely new, with ease, grace, and great joy. Dynamic. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's add one message from the yogic part. What is the message for Aquarius, April 2021? Ananta. Okay. See, I told you your heart chakra. Your heart chakra, many of you Aquarius, your heart chakra is getting activated, it's getting open up, and many of you some of you have to do your heart chakra healing here, okay? And if you are already working on your heart chakra, that means your heart has opened its chambers to new possibilities, and the light is coming through to soothe its once dark corners. This love heals all and allows you to see all the people for their greatest potential, including yourself. By putting down your armor, you are truly able to use the intelligence of your heart, which will always guide you in the right direction. Trust the journey of the heart. It may not be always make sense to the mind, but it is aware of the possibility that the mind cannot yet envision. When you truly live a heart-centered life, there is nothing left to fear. Meditate on the color green and practice heart opening yoga pose to aid the journey. I told you that you have to work on your heart chakra, Aquarius, okay? Work on your heart chakra here. You need to work on your heart chakra opening, healing, balancing, okay? And if you're already doing it, that means that it is going to open up for you. So beautiful message. Thank you for giving the message. Let's add one message from the journey within. Okay, give me one message for Aquarius. There is 3 message. One message. Okay. There is love, people use things, and there is karmic seeds. Okay. There are 2 messages for you in relationships. Okay. There is karmic seed. Every karmic seed we plant will bear fruit in time. Acts of kindness offered to other attracts act of kindness to ourselves. Likewise, malicious actions hurt others and will eventually cause us pain. So whatever you will put in the universe, that is going to come back towards you, Aquarius. That's the message I'm getting here. Love, people, use things. Okay, in today's world we are often encouraged to love things and use people. Be a non-conformist. Embrace the evolved spiritual culture of loving people and using things to facilitate that love. And that's right, you need to love people and use things. Don't use people and love things. Okay, so this is very powerful message here which I'm getting for you. Now let's see. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, let's see what are the signs. What are the signs? What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? Okay. Okay. So you can be dealing with a Capricorn here. Okay, there is a Capricorn. There is Aquarius, Capricorn. There is Libra. There is Sagittarius here. There is Virgo, Taurus. Okay, Taurus and Virgo is here. There is Gemini. There is Scorpio. And there is Leo. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. So I hope I help you out in some manner, Aquarius. In the extended, I'm going to take these cards and we'll see that what are the deeper level of the meaning of these cards. What are the more messages which I'm going to tell you in the extended. Sending you lots of healing, happiness and beautiful energies to all my Aquarius. Okay, wherever you are, take care of yourself, Aquarius, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Take care of yourself and see you soon.